Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sound plans. First, clearly define what you want to achieve. This involves setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. For instance, instead of get fit, aim for run a 5-kilometer race in under 30 minutes within 3 months. Breaking down your main objective into smaller, actionable steps makes the entire process less daunting and more achievable. This foundational step is crucial for building a robust and effective plan. Once your objectives are clear, focus on the essential elements. Assigning responsibilities ensures everyone knows their role, preventing confusion and duplication of effort. For example, if you have a team of 4, each person could be responsible for 25% of the initial research. Budgeting is also vital. Understand your financial constraints and allocate funds wisely. A well-defined communication plan ensures everyone stays informed, fostering collaboration and efficiency throughout the planning process. With your plan in place, it's time for execution. Start by tackling the first few steps, building momentum. Regularly check your progress against the milestones you established. For instance, review your weekly achievements every Friday afternoon. Utilize project management tools, whether simple checklists or advanced software, to keep track of tasks and deadlines. This consistent monitoring helps you stay on course and identify any deviations early. Remember to acknowledge and celebrate small successes along the way. It boosts morale and keeps everyone motivated. Planning is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing cycle. Periodically review your plan, perhaps every month or quarter, to assess its effectiveness and relevance. Be prepared to adapt and make adjustments as circumstances change. For example, if a new technology emerges, consider how it might impact your approach. Learning from challenges and incorporating those insights into future iterations is key. This iterative process of reviewing, adapting, and refining ensures your plans remain dynamic and highly effective, leading to greater success over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.